Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we write a small C# program that returns the size of a file in bytes. The core API is system IO file info and its length property, which reports the file size in bytes as a long. I'll show a safe version that asks the user for a file path, checks that the file exists, and handles common errors like access denied or missing files. We'll also mention platform path differences like for Linux versus Windows, and simple extensions such as formatting the size in kilobytes or megabytes. Let's jump into the problem and code. The task is straightforward. We read the file metadata and print the length property. But in practice, we must handle errors, such as file may not exist, user may not have permission, or user may enter a directory. We'll show a robust example that validates existence and catches exceptions, so the program is reliable when run on different systems. This implementation reads the path from the console, so you can test any file. FileInfo does not read the whole file, it simply inspects the metadata. So this is fast. We check file exists before reading length to give a friendly message if the file is missing. The try-catch block handles permission and other file system related exceptions. For very large sums or aggregated sizes, use long. FileInfo.Length is long to avoid overflow. Step by step. Get the path, make a file info, check the existence, then read length. Because file metadata access may throw, we wrap in try catch. File info length returns bytes as a long. If you need human friendly units, converts bytes into kilobytes or megabytes. We'll show a suggestion in the conclusion. These examples show typical outcomes. A correct size printed, a friendly file not found message when the path is wrong, and an access denied message for protected files. When testing, remember Windows paths need backslashes, and Linux uses forward slashes. For automated scripts, pass the path as a command line argument instead of using console read line. Knowing a file size is foundational for many apps. File explorers, upload limit checkers, backup tools that decide whether to transfer a file, and monitoring scripts that alert if a log grows too quickly. The same FileInfo API also gives timestamps and attributes you can use alongside size in such tools. In short, FileInfo.Length gives you the file size in bytes, quickly and efficiently. Just validate the path and catch exceptions. If you want nicer output for users, use the human readable helper shown to convert bytes into kilobytes or megabytes. For directories, some FileInfo.Length across files. You should also watch for recursion, depth, and permissions. Try integrating this into a small utility that prints size and last modified time for a quick personal file inspector. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I will see you in the next one.